cocksucker. Fucking cheap learning, man. Try, man. That man, it takes me around 5 months, man. Bumbleclot, man. I said, bro, well, me and him, man. My eyes cloud, blah, blah, blah. Man, hey, leave me alone, man. They got 5 months, man. And him trying to tell me, bro, we're counter-surveilling the guy, you know what I mean? He's hiding here, I'm hiding here, I'm hiding. Oh, we don't, fuck, how much money that cost, man? I said, bro, just cut some. No, man, no money, man. Job. That bumbleclot, man. I said, you know what, your eyes cloud, but I swear to God, man, honestly, man.
So, this is the goal, man.
Serious shit, man. Serious shit, bro.
All we know is we got the best man in the world.
No, bro. No, seriously, you know.
This guy deserves to be even better than Prime Minister Harper.
No. But I don't bullshit, you know. I'm a straight up guy, you know.
I always tell him, go become the Prime Minister.
Who goes in the THC? Who goes in J-Town and Jada Finch and them Malvern on them? Them fuckers. What I see, man, bro. Should I go?